YouTube, check it out. I got an announcement to make, okay? Got a dope announcement to make. We're about to hit 3 million subscribers, okay? In, I want to say at least 2 days. At least 2 days. In this video right here, I did a whole little transformation on this kid. Never got a cut before. He's about like, I want to say about like 5, 4, 6 years old. I know it's all scrambled, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Make sure you stay tuned. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share the video, hit the subscribe button. I'm out. Peace. Intro now available on iTunes and Google Play. Alright, so before I actually started cutting, I was looking at the hair like, man, what do I do? Where do I start? So I just figured, you know what? Let me take my shears and just cut the bulk of it down first, alright? Then we could try to figure out, another way that we can attack this thing. But you want to get it down to a length where you know how to, pin the hair up. And it's just manageable. A length that's manageable, period. Alright, so now that I got it to a length to where I could, maneuver it with my comb easy, I'm gonna part the hair at the parietal ridge. This is the area where the top meets the sides, alright, that point on the sides. So I'm just gonna neatly put in my duck clips all around the top. I'm gonna drop it a little bit in the back around the crown area. Make sure I go around that calic area. And, just set in my duck clips, make sure everything is neat. So now that I have everything pinned up, I'm gonna focus on removing a lot of the bulk on the sides. I'm gonna clipper overcomb the sides to a length where I could set in my bald line. So using my Babyliss white skeleton trimmers, I'm gonna set in my bald line. I'm gonna set it in real low, not gonna go too high because with kids, going too high on the blend, it just looks real weird on their head. It's gonna always look like a high fade. So you wanna make sure, even if you're doing a mid fade, you wanna keep the fade as low as possible. That way there's a lot of gradiency and a lot of, just a greater transition you can see. Also, if you're not comfortable with setting in that bald line first, what you want to do is just take the one guard and just knock it all down to a length. I was going to do that, but then, I'm pushed for time, so I always like to just go ahead and set in my guidelines as fast as possible. So I decided to take my one guard open and just knock off some of this bulk. I'm going up about at least like 2 inches, but it's just me just clearing off bulk, not going all the way to the top. And if I do go up, I'm actually scooping out so that I won't set a harsh guideline into that bulk up at the top, because we need some of that bulk for the rest of the hair to sit on at the hair that I got pinned up at the top. So I know you guys are gonna be like, clipper over comb again, but okay, let me hear me out on this one. All right, right now I'm clipper over combing and I'm building the shape that I want. The first time I used clipper over comb was to basically knock off the bulk, but now you want to build that shape. So I'm making sure that I'm really blending that bottom into the top, and you know, like I said, build the shape. So now with my 2 guard open, I'm going up, basically blending the bottom half into the shape that I created. Now putting on the 1 guard open, I'm basically flicking out that area between the 1 and the 2. Now with my lever open, I'm going up about a 1/2 inch, making sure I keep it consistent all the way around. Alright, so I know you guys are gonna be like, he going back with the 1 guard? The 1 guard again? Alright, let me listen. Alright, I'm trying to make sure that I got everything to that length. So I'm going back with my 1 guard open and just going over my work. Putting on the 0 guard with the lever closed, in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Now with the lever halfway, I'm just gonna go up about half of what I set in that lever open, and I'm just basically softening up that bottom line as I go around. Alright, so last step you want to take is close the lever and flick out that bottom line. Now keep in mind, you want to start below the line, flick to the line, and when it comes to flicking out, I like to use my corners all the way through. Alright, so next step is I'm going to take the duck clips out. I'm going to saturate his hair with water and I'm going to blow dry it. Now what this is going to do, his hair is really straight right now from being long, but it's going to kind of give it an afro look after you wet it and blow dry it. So now I'm gonna pick the hair out, and then I'm gonna grab my shears and shape the top. So now it's time to prep the lineup. I'm gonna put my duck clips in. I'm gonna bring down some of those baby hairs, bring them to a 1.5, and just, you know, spray some spritz on there to lock it down and line them up. Alright, so right now I'm gonna mist my client's hair with water, and then I'm gonna put some Johnny B mold in his hair just to get his hair to curl a little bit better. I like this product because it's a curl activator, you know what I mean? You put this product in anyone's hair, it's automatically gonna curl. I'll link this product in the links in the description below. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in the full 360, and it come out looking like bam. YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, alright? Also, Hustle Dreams Production, that's my brother, he does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Shit.